Forget everything you think you know about creating an AI influencer, because I am sure you doesn't just change the game, it's erase the completely old rules. In the next few minutes, I'm revealing a single ChatGPT prompt can build a full AI influencer with consistency characters. And here the craziest part, in 1% creator know about this tool. If you are a student, hustler, someone tired to being invisible online, this could be shortcut you are waiting for. Stick with me because the last step will make the character feel 10x real than anything you ever seen before. Think about it. Every AI influencer just spending years building trust, spawning out just to stay consistent. But with an AI, consistency isn't a hard one anymore. It's built AI. Instead of straightening out cameras, lightings, or even you create a character once and let AI to heavy lift. That's exactly what I am show you. Step 1. Open a ChatGPT and ask it to design your influencer. Be specific look, personality, even the tone of voice. ChatGPT doesn't just split out text. It's build the soul of the character. Take the prompt and plug it into a ideogram AI. This is where the real magic happens. Paste it and hit generate, and boom, the face of influencer is born. But 99% of people stop and fail because a single image means nothing. The secret is character consistency. Ideogram has a hidden gem, a feature that load your original character and regenerate it with outfit swap, new background, poses, and even styles. Suddenly your influencer isn't just an image, it's brand. We are now stopping at still images. Upload that same character into Gemini and a simple animate prompt, and in seconds you influencer come alive. Talking, moving, reacting. You didn't just create a picture, you create a personality. Now pause a second. Do you feel that the shift from struggling the create content to build an influencer in just a minute? That's the kind of transformation that flipped the script forever. So here the truth. Creating an influencer is only the for beginning. The real power is how the market, how to monetize it and scale the character. Without that, the entire process is fancy trick. Within the right strategy, this one click could turn the viral content, passive income, and even a first digital empire. And I don't want you to stop here, because if you do, you miss the most important part, the monetization method. Without it, your influencer just a toy. With it, it's unstoppable. In my next video, I exactly show you how AI influencer can be monetized and turn it into money-making machine, from viral hook to platform that pay the most. And it's all in there. So click the right here, because if you skip that, everything you just learned today because worthless. Trust me, you don't want to miss.